Hi, I'm Brendan from Keel Construction. Today we're going to do the latest Reimagined. We're making chalkboards out of some old slate. It's old slate floor, and the border is going to be out of our hardwood here. It's from it's milled in Alliston and from a local forest nearby. So let's get started. All right, we're back here. We're all done our chalkboard, as you can see. Just wanted to go over, once again, it was some hardwood that we used and a bit of, a slate tile, and it's been reimagined.